Okay, guys, so this is Vlogmas day 1. Even though today is the 2nd of December already, but I'm starting the Vlogmas today, the 2nd of December, which is going to be 25 days. It's going to be 24 days right now because today is already 2nd of December already. So what I'm going to be doing in this Vlogmas 24 days Vlogmas is just basically showing you different ways that you can earn money or make money from today to the end to Christmas Day. So it's going to be how to make money online. Vlogmas episode 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till we get to the 25th, which is on Christmas Day, like that. So that's what this is going to be. So if you're feeling excited about this, what you need to do right now is as simple. Just make sure you go subscribe right now on this channel. Make sure just click the subscribe button right now. So make sure you subscribe right now, because I'm going to be dropping banger videos upon videos that's going to be teaching you different ways that you don't even have to spend a dime. You don't have to spend a time in some of these ways that I'm going to be showing you to start making money on all this online. So like I said, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you give this video a comment down below. Make sure you share this video on all your social media. It's Vlogmas, man. It's always fun doing Vlogmas, everyday video till the 25th of December. That's what we're going to be doing right here. So yeah, this video is going to be as short as that. So it's as simple as that. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it when I upload every video, because one of the things you do when you subscribe is YouTube tend to show you my video because you've subscribed. So when I upload a new video, YouTube will show it to you so that you can go and watch that video and quickly implement what I'm going to be teaching you in that video. So that's what's up with that one. So thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.